Femap 2020.1 has added Smart Select that utilizes Siemens synchronous technology for geometry editing. These options include offset, identical, concentric, collinear, and tangent edges. Additional geometric entities will be moved dependent on which options are selected. Notice how the feature on the opposite side is rotated with the one that has been selected by the same 5 degrees. Blend removal is now more robust. The command attempts to remove all blends at once, but if it fails, it removes chains of blends one at a time and will automatically make a second pass if required. If a blend is not removed, the command geometry solid extend has been enhanced, allowing the user to pick a specific face to extend the blend down to. Users can now align washers in a specified direction. The splits of the washers can be defined by a vector, tangent to curve, or perpendicular to curve. Aligning washers will aid to set up for further editing of geometry to create a high-quality mesh.